What's up, YouTube? How you doing? Right now, man, tire business is booming. Check out these 22s. That's literally 16 inches wide right there. And I decided, just to sweeten the deal, this set of tires right here is in the listing with that because it's got brand new snow tires. So what I'm posting this video for is kind of like quiz day. I'm going to ask a bunch of questions. Maybe you guys can teach me something or help me out. Flipping cars around Christmas time. It's not easy. You have to be extremely aggressive. You have to find your cars extremely cheap because the only people buying cars right now are flippers like us and people looking for a deal because they're spending so much money. I've had these two trucks posted for I think 4 or 5 days. I have not gotten very many messages. I've deleted my ads and reposted my ads, and this is what you have to do to get these things to show up to even get messages. So my strategy is, I post it and then I post it high, like a few $100 higher than I want. And then as soon as I post it, I wait about an hour and then I go into the Facebook market on my ad and I hit lower price and I go to Facebook's marked next setting down for price. Now what that does is triggers the algorithm to show that you're serious. It shows Facebook you're serious. It's got Facebook's number on there. They promote your ad a lot more. And it works. I've done it and I've gotten a few messages, but people want these things cheap. Now I got this thing for $1,300. We cleaned it, put U-joints in it, not much. So I started this thing at $2,300 just to get some play, and I was getting it, and then I lowered it. Now it's at $1,800, and I'm telling you guys, no one's buying right now. It's hard. You got to just hang in there and trust the process. This thing's gonna sell. I'm only gonna make maybe $500-600 off of it. It is what it is. That one there is a lot cleaner than this one. In my opinion, nicer. We painted the fender and the door on that one. That one's posted at 33. I'm sticking to my guns. So I posted at 35. I wait an hour and I hit lower price and it puts me at like 33.60 or something. You know what I mean? And that puts you up in the front of everyone else on Facebook. It'll even put you in front of new ads. You know what I mean? As soon as Facebook knows you're being aggressive and that you are willing to sell and you're lowering your price, they're going to promote your ads more. So that's a good strategy. Obviously, second strategy, get them cheap. You got to get them super cheap so you can sell them cheap, make your money and run. Now, what I'm at right now is, do I just post this thing extremely cheap, make a couple $100 and bail? Or do I stick to my guns, try to get what I'm getting, and hang on to them? This is an expensive time of year, guys. So honestly, I'm debating. I pulled the trigger on the red truck. I dropped the price lower than what I want to. I know what that truck's worth. It's a nice truck. It runs good. It's 4x4. It's got brand new snow tires on it. Hell, it comes with $1,000 worth of tires right there and right here. Focus. That's $1,000 in tires. As soon as I did that, I started getting a bunch of messages. It's not that they're bad trucks. It's not that they're not clean enough, because these trucks are. They're cleaner than most Chevys on, Facebook Market in Michigan. Here, they're all rusted out around the wheel wells. They're all just shot. They've been worked, So I just wanted to make a good, quick 5 to 10 minute video asking you guys, how's it going for you flipping cars at Christmas time? And to tell you that if this is something you're getting into, I would not start until January. And if you have the funds right now to see past this rut, buy yourself 3 or 4 cars, get them ready, and after the first of the year, especially running into February and tax time, get as many cars as you can, because these trucks, I can't sell it for $2,200 right now. I can sell it for $3,500 in February. Every time, stack your cars, and yeah, how's it going for you guys in your different states? Is Christmas rough for you? And if you're thinking about flipping cars, I'm warning you, you probably don't want to do it right now because it'll discourage the crap out of you. I'm kind of making a video right now. It's just going to be like a montage, like my car detailing one. I watch these videos on YouTube all the time. People converting things into things. I'm going to turn this electric lawnmower into a bench grinder. And it's going to have a foot pedal. And it's all going to work out sweet. So I'm kind of just making that video because, you know, I want to. I watch it all the time, and I think it would be cool to show, you know, turn trash into treasure, you know. Turn this into a bench grinder, a belt sander, even a router table would be sweet. So be looking for that video. I don't know, you know, this channel's about flipping cars, so I don't know how many people are into that, but, you know, I'm into fabrication and turning things into stuff that, you know, is awesome. So I'm going to make that video just, you know, just for me. But yeah, quick update though. Let me know, you know, what are your suggestions for flipping during Christmas time? What do you think would work for me? Do you hold out, or do you just chop your prices in half and sell and move on? But even if you chop your price in half and sell and move on and buy another one, you're going to have the same problem selling that one. So should you hold your price, wait for the right person, and sell it? Let me know. There's a lot of stuff that goes into this, and a lot of thought and a lot of strategy. So, you know, we've been extremely lucky. We've sold these trucks for $3 grand a pop all summer, all fall. You know, we hit Christmas, and it's to be expected. This is what happens. So we got 2 nice trucks. What should I do with them? Should I chop them so we can do a price reveal in the next video? Should I hold on and try to get the money I'm trying to get? You know, Christmas is coming up. We need this money. We need more money to buy presents. We got a birthday tomorrow. So half of me wants to chop the prices, but then I know once I buy another one, I'm going to have to, you know, maybe not sell it or chop prices. So it is what it is. And now is the time to buy because people are selling for Christmas. People like me are chopping their prices in half. Buy yourself 3 of these things, and when the economy comes back in 3 weeks, you're ready to rock. Now is the time to buy, for sure, not the time to sell. So, question of the day is, what should I do? Let me know in the comments, and be looking for the next video, and hopefully we buy something soon so we can get a mechanics video up. Peace.